In this video, I'm driving up through a block of our Arrowwood Viburnums. These Viburnums were planted only 2 years ago, and already they're 3 to 4 foot high. I did, however, when I planted them, put a drip water line down, which you'll see later in this video. The Arrowwood Viburnum is a very easy to grow plant. It's a deciduous shrub, meaning it loses its foliage in the winter. Its native range is eastern North America in plant zones 2 to 8. Its height that it will reach is 6 to 10 foot high, and its spread is 6 to 10 foot wide. It normally blooms in May to June with a very showy white flower that looks, a cluster of flowers that looks a lot like the Queen Anne's lace. It likes full sun to partial shade, and it can take somewhat wet soils. It's a very low maintenance plant. You can trim this with a chainsaw, or just whack it back with an axe to the ground if you want. This plant is a survivor. It will grow back. The suggested uses for this plant are hedges, screens, buffers, and it is an attractive plant for birds and butterflies with a showy blue fruit that appears in August. It can tolerate clay soils and black walnuts, so it is a tough plant. In this video, you can see some of the plants that we have at Highland Hill Farm when we started out planting these viburnums. And in this picture here, you can see us putting in a drip water line on the initial planted viburnums. This is important because if we put the drip water line in, we get very good results insofar as planting survival rates. We at Highland Hill Farm recommend the Arrowwood Viburnum for your landscape needs. Call us at 215-651-8329 for any viburnum that you might want. We grow a multitude of different types of viburnums, as well as screening and buffering evergreens and shade trees. Thank you.
This is cranberry viburnum. It has a drip water line that was put on about 3 hours ago, and you can see the water is starting to occupy the trench. You can't see all the water that's there because it just makes a small plume going into the surface with a big plume underneath the ground. And actually most of this water is actually all around the roots of these trees, and you can see where the tree is starting to wilt a little bit. That'll perk up by tomorrow morning. We're going to let this run all night long, and when the result will be that the whole line will be just one continuous band of moisture running along the length of the viburnums here.
If you have questions about trees and shrubs, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329 or email us at bill@highlandhillfarm.com. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe, and please go to the subscribe button and subscribe to our videos. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.